Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting signal into Garageband. Plug the drum module to your Mac via USB or a MIDI interface, then power the kit. Once done, open Garageband and create a new software instrument track, choosing external MIDI as the input so Garageband listens to the pads. Make sure to select your drum kit as the track's input device and enable monitoring. This confirms MIDI messages are arriving. If you see the MIDI activity meter flicker when you strike pads, you're ready for sound mapping. Next, pick the sound engine. Load Drum Kit Designer or a third-party drum plugin. This gives you realistic kit tones. Then map your module's MIDI note numbers to the plugin's pads. You do this in the plugin's mapping or GarageBand's channel strip so hit locations match the sounds. Once mapped, address latency. Set your audio interface buffer to about 128 to 256 samples and test. If you hear delay, lower the buffer. Finally, save your mapping as a preset so you don't repeat these steps. Now record, arm the track, enable the metronome, and record in short takes so you can comp later. You'll get tighter results by quantizing lightly rather than hard. After recording, use the drum editor to fix mistriggered hits, adjust velocity curves, and tweak sensitivity so dynamics translate naturally. Finally, bounce or export your take. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot by checking MIDI channel matching, cable integrity, Mac audio MIDI setup device routing, and GarageBand's track input.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.